Welcome again to my channel. And today, magluluto yung asawa ko ng tinolang manok. Pero ako yung maghihiwa kasi take charge kami sa pag-alaga sa anak ko. So, right now, what I have here is chicken breast. So, tulad ng nabanggit ko sa aking mga naunang vlog na we're trying to be healthy. So, white meat talaga yung binibili namin. And then, meron akong papaya. Meron din akong spinach. Tapos, meron ako ditong sibuyas at luya na patubo na.
Hi everyone, I'm going to teach you how to cook tinola. So, we've got the basic ingredients. We've got chicken breast, papaya, ginger, garlic, onion, and spinach. Olive oil. We're going to use olive oil because, well, it's available here. It's not that expensive and it just tastes a bit better. And then we've got the pan heated already, so we're just going to saute some onions to start off here. Wait for this oil to get a little bit hotter. And there we go. Cool. So we'll let those cook down just for a bit. Also very important, and Raquel doesn't do this enough. Season. Salt. Pepper.
Don't tell them how bad of a cook I am.
You're not a bad cook, you just don't use seasoning enough.
So, what are you trying to say? That your tinola tastes better than mine?
Well, we'll see. I like your tinola.
A safe answer?
Yeah. Well, it's true. You've seen how much I usually eat, so I'm not lying. Alright, so these are cooked down enough. We're going to add some ginger. And we'll do the garlic now too. Okay. And we'll let this cook out just a little bit. Alright, and then finally the chicken. This is all cooked down enough. Chicken, I don't want too much water in there. Alright. And then more seasoning. Salt that chicken.
Say hi to your viewers.
Hi viewers.
Just so you know, guys, this is his version. I didn't teach him this, so he just figured it out. Yon. Miinom siya habang nagluluto. Miinom ng non-alcoholic beer. Merong ganon. Beer na hindi siya malalasing. Diba?
So it's cooked up pretty good. We're just going to add water. Turn this up a bit. So we've got nice broth. Okay, so all the water there, it's been cooking for a little bit. Just need to taste it and see how much fish sauce we have to add. It's actually not too far off. Patis.
Patis.
So, I'll add a bit, mix it up, see how it tastes, and then add more if we need to. And don't use the same spoon that you used to put the fish sauce in.
Is it?
It just tastes like fish sauce. Let's try this again. bit better. I'll use this spoon to start this time. Cool. So then it's cooked up, so we're gonna add the papaya now. And stir. Okay. So that's gotta cook for a while.
Say hi. You're in the camera.
Okay, so the papaya I think is ready. So we're just gonna turn this off. Add the spinach.
It's judgment time. Ayan na. Ang tinola. Tapos ayan na yung kanin. Yan, ipapakain ko kay Tracy. Let's see kung magugustuhan ni baby ang niluto ng daddy niya. Yan na yung kanin ni Tracy na may tinola at nagagalit na siya dahil gusto niya nang subuan siya. Good job! Sabaw lang. I think I'm gonna put a little bit of chicken. Good job, Palangga. It's really yummy, love. She really likes it. Ayan, guys. Tinola. Yung aming ulam. Siyempre, kakain yung asawa ko ng tinola. Siya nagluto eh. Yan na. So, judgment time. Ubus. Sarap, sakto. Ang sarap talaga, promise. Lumipat ako ng upuan kasi si Tracy kumakain ng blueberry, pinapakain ng kapatid ko. So, makakapag-concentrate ako sa pagkain ng tinola na masarap. Thank you, love.
You're welcome.
So, I think I agree that you cook better than I do.
Just different.
It's good though. It's like it's cooked by a Filipino. Promise, it's really good.
Okay.
Next time we have Filipino visitors, I cook tinola, okay?
Sure.
I'm gonna have another scoop. Oh, good job, Tracy. She's eating a lot of blueberries. Thank you guys for watching. Next time I'll ask him to cook what, adobo?
Sure.
Caldereta? Sinigang.
Yeah, sure.
Sure daw. Ano gusto niyo lutuin niya? I'm gonna have more. I finished mine.
No. Blueberries coming.
Yeah. Well, you see, now you played. Now she's gonna.
Look at more. Sarap talaga, promise. So, if you are here in Canada and you visit us, he's gonna cook Filipino food for you. Yeah?
Sure.
I don't know. The Bicol Express. You like that so much.
Yeah, I haven't made that in a while.
Have you made one before?
I think so. It's not that hard.
Okay. Bicol Express. Paborito niya. It's your favorite, right?
That's one of them.
I never cooked it before, but he did already.
Hey.